Lamborghini Dallas proudly presents this 1991 Lamborghini Diablo. Equipped with a 5.7-liter, 492 horsepower V12 engine and a 5-speed manual transmission. This car is finished in a gorgeous balloon white exterior color and Nero full leather interior with Arancio contrast stitching and piping. This is an exceptionally clean 91 Diablo. It's definitely a collector piece. With great service history, comes well optioned, including GT Body kit, carbon fiber exterior trim, large rear wing, custom updated interior, carbon fiber interior trim, full black leather, 6.0 OEM seats, JL audio subwoofers, Clarion head unit, Kenwood Amp, AC, black Meister S1 wheels, and much more.